everybody, this is Moses from Zaatargardens, and this is episode 40 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you something really cool here. Not many people know about it, but I'm surprised that I've had a lot of comments in the past about them. I'm Armenian, Lebanese Armenian, and we tend to eat everything out of a grape plant. Stuff, grape leaves, making molasses at home, which I have videos of. I may link a lot of the videos in this video. And just all this various other things that we do. I even use, I keep the grape branches. I don't throw them away. I dry them, and they're great for smoking, for barbecue. So we use a lot of the grape plant. Now, what I'm going to show you is, it's getting kind of crazy. You can see my grapes here. They go all along, and they keep going along the fence. And I have a pixie dwarf grape over there as well. I may link another video in the video now about that. There's Lulu. But while I'm pruning these grapes, like you see, I did this pruning here. I don't want this to keep growing and going into the flame seedless. So I cut this Thompson back, my grandmother's Thompson back. Now, I have it here. Don't throw this away. Well, at least we don't, or I don't. I shouldn't be generalizing everything. So forgive me if you're offended by that. These tendrils are edible. These here. The ones that grab onto your, like you see these just grabbing onto everything, they're edible. They're a little tart, but I eat them. So, yeah. This is, it's actually a little sweet. That's weird, actually. But it's, say I ate it right there. That's a little tart. So I just go around, eat everything I can. Why not? I'm growing everything. Why throw it away? So enjoy it, everybody. Try to research things on things that are edible, not just the fruit of your labor, but the things growing your fruit as well. Happy gardening. All right, let's go, Lulu.